Starting the journey to master the English language can be exciting as well as overwhelming. With so many options available, choosing the right course might feel like a challenge. But don't worry, we are here to guide you. Hello and welcome in my social media. My name is Olga and I'm founder of English and Fun Education Agency, created to help people like you to improve your language skills. If you are considering studying English in the UK, Ireland or Canada, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the many different types of English language courses offered by English education providers and how they can help you to find the perfect fit for your goal. If you are looking to improve your everyday communication skills, general English courses are a perfect choice. These focus on speaking, listening, reading, writing, grammar, and vocabulary, helping you become confident in daily conversations. They are available all year round and include all levels of English. Exams like Cambridge English or IELTS are in your future. These exam preparation courses are tailored to equip you with the right strategies and knowledge to succeed. For those who need English for specific purposes like a business or academic English, you can opt for programs like English for Businesses or English for University studies to bridge the gap between language learning and real-world applications. Looking for something more interactive for children? Try out summer courses designed for children aged 8 to 17. They are engaging programs combine language learning with fun activities. They are including 20 lessons each week from qualified teachers, residential accommodation, all meals with healthy food, at least 2 full days and 1 half-day excursion per week, as well as 24 hours care, supervision and support. If you are traveling with your family, consider the family courses where you can all enjoy quality English lessons and fun activity programs together in places like Brighton, London or Cambridge. It can be unforgettable time, different than normal holidays, which you will bond your relationship with your loved ones. Choosing the right course can be tricky, but that's where English and Fun Education Agency comes in. We offer free advice, helping you navigate through various courses options, application procedures, visa requirements, and accommodation choice, completely free of charge. No matter your goals, there is English course out here that's perfect for you. And with the right support, you will be on your way to mastering English in no time. So what course would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. See you next time!